Setelah bertemu Presiden Jokowi di Istana Negara, CEO Apple Tim Cook menemui Menteri Pertahanan Prabowo Subianto. Pertemuan itu membahas berbagai hal, khususnya terkait kolaborasi antara Apple dengan pemerintah Indonesia. Tim Cook tiba di kantor Kementerian Pertahanan pada Rabu 17 April sekitar pukul 12:45 waktu Indonesia Barat. Kedatangan bos Apple tersebut disambut hangat oleh Prabowo. Sebelumnya, Cook juga mengucapkan selamat kepada Prabowo atas hasil Pilpres lewat surat yang dikirimkan pada Maret lalu. Pasangan Prabowo Gibran diketahui meraih suara terbanyak dan memenangkan kontestasi 5 tahunan tersebut. Dalam suratnya, Cook berharap dapat terus bekerja sama dengan Prabowo di bidang teknologi. Ia mengapresiasi dibukanya 3 akademi pengembangan Apple di Surabaya, Jakarta, dan Batam yang menghasilkan hampir 2.000 lulusan berkualitas. Cook yakin Apple dan Indonesia akan mampu membuat kerjasama yang lebih sukses di masa mendatang.
Great to see you. It's a pleasure.
We named up Unity in Diversity.
Unity
In Diversity.
in your facility.
Yeah. Heritage show.
Heritage.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
So,
How are you? It's so great to see you.
Thank you very
It's a
much.
pleasure, Mr. President.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Please,
Thank
sir,
you.
better we sit on the table, eh?
Okay.
How long have you been in Jakarta?
Just since yesterday,
Yesterday, yes, it is.
but it's been a great visit, and I'm getting a feel of the culture, the diversity, the youth.
Is this the first time you've been?
It's my first time in Indonesia.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a pleasure.
Great honor for me
Thank you.
to meet the famous.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Madam, thank you. Terima kasih. Atur nuhun.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.